never pass inspection ever again. Ever again.
No, I did write for the inspection.
You just got arrested, dude.
Is this guy? Ah, there he is. Come on, get in, let's go. But seriously? Took you so long.
What took you so long? Get the stuff I asked for?
I gotta take that shit.
Did anyone see us?
Nah.
Waffle?
Did they beat you?
Waffle?
Nah, I'm good.
Sure?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? It's Craig Convict. I don't know if it took you so long ago. I was waiting out there. It's f***ing cold. This inspection is no joke, and you will pay the price. So obviously passing inspection is a little bit of a tricky situation, considering I don't have catalytic converters. What are you gonna do, arrest me? Obviously things didn't go very well. There's always, let's just say, loopholes, because they care so much about the environment, right? Listen, we all care about the environment. You know, I've decided every time I get a citation for emissions or failing an inspection, I'm gonna cut the catalytic converters off of someone else's car. So if that's what they really want, they're not just gonna let me live my f***ing life, that's what they're gonna get. Better yet, I'm gonna take those catalytic converters, I'm gonna sell them, and I'm gonna use that money to buy car batteries, and I'm gonna throw them into the ocean. How about that? That's what you get. That's what happens. Hey, would you mind if I stay over at your house for a couple nights?
No, sorry.
I've got catalytic converters on this. Let me show you. Let me show you. I've got cats on here.
Do you?
See him down there? Wait, shh. If you listen closely, you can still hear him. You can hear him meowing. You hear that? Get that garage open. Because we gotta hide the car.
Hey, your license plate's crooked.
Inspection is not about safety. It never was about safety. All it does is funnel money into the car repair industry and to the state, because it's up to them. It's like a video essay. It's like a video essay, man. It is at the discretion of whatever place you're going, how much they actually care about what's wrong. Then there's plenty of other things that could be just as equally dangerous, but not be an inspection item. For example, your car can be just on the brink of blowing up. It can be knocking like crazy. AKA, it could be my S65 M3 with tight rod bearing clearance, ready to throw a fucking piston. And then that piston can fly through the fucking window of an elementary school. But yet you care more about the ozone layer? Alright, and then you'd be forced to stop, and then you cause a 20-car pileup on the middle of the freeway. Uh-oh, you don't have catalytic converters. Uh-oh! You knocked over my light. I can have an improvised explosive device underneath my rear axle, and it could still pass inspection. If you're blowing just a little bit too much carbon monoxide gasoline into the ozone layer, you're f***ed. It pretty much leaves it up to the discretion of whatever shop you're taking it to. We all know how honest the repair industry is. Pretty much it's a good way for repair shops to sell you new tires, new brakes, when you probably don't need it. Or anything else that's quick enough to do, but expensive enough to actually get their time worth out of it. So states like New York State, California, etc., they make it hard for us car guys to have any fun at all. They can't catch all of us, so just delete your catalytic converters. Just take them right off. Get rid of them. If we all do it, they can't get us all. Hold on. Hello? Hey, yes, yeah. Oh, like press charges? Arrest. I was suggested by my attorney to discontinue what I was just saying. On second thought, don't ask questions. Just Give the government your money. Never ask questions. The industry needs you. Our culture does not function without you funding the industry. Trust repair shops. They're not lying to you. They are not lying to you. Today is payback. We are going to delete my secondary cats. This is not legal advice. It's been dyno proven that removing your secondary cats on N52, my fucking phone, shut up, is about 10 horsepower. I don't know how to weld, so you might be wondering what I'm gonna do next. And it's easy.
How easy?
And it's easy as getting rid of them. You don't need them anyways. And in fact, you can sell them for methamphetamine profit. You can sell them for profit. Like free meth. But Craig Bimmer, how do I delete the catalytic converters and get them welded for free without knowing how to weld? Cut them off. Call your local repair shop and tell them your car had catalytic converters stolen and now it's too loud to drive around with it. Think what I'm thinking? Go to the shop, you have them welded in, you take those said catalytic converters and you sell them for profit.
They say yes, they're gonna be the dumbest f***ing shop out there.
Last night, I was parked and my secondary catalytic converters were cut off. Would you guys be able to just weld a pipe in between? No?
No, I can put new converters out, but unfortunately that's all I can do.
Gotcha. Okay. Being too specific is what's gonna ruin it. Like they're thinking 2 steps ahead, right?
Yeah.
They're thinking like 2 steps and 1 to the left ahead of me, and they're like, this guy cut his cats off and he's trying to scam us. And then we're gonna go to jail. Hey man, how you doing?
Pretty good.
So I had my car parked overnight, and something was cut off the bottom of it.
Sold the catalytic converter.
Okay. Yeah, probably something like that. Are you able to? It's way too loud to drive. I'm out of town. Were you able to?
I can't weld a piece of pipe in it just to get you by law. I can't do it.
You know, I just need some pipe, pretty much. You know.
The only thing I think you.
Hopefully they can help.
Sir.
Hey, so I'm looking to delete my secondary catalytic converters. Can you guys do that and just weld in some pipes for me?
No, they can take my license away from that.
Okay, what if all right, let me start over. So last night I was parked on the street and I came back. I started the car, it was much louder. Can you weld in some pipe? Yeah, so actually this doesn't work. I guess it's a little harder to bean boozle the law than I thought. I might just do it anyways. I might just cut them down and gut them out or something. Tape it back on, some flex tape or something like that, and go from there. Alright, where's my jack stands?
Are those your jack stands?
No, those are too nice. Something better, like cinder blocks. Have you seen the cinder blocks around here?
All right, let's get to work. Hey, do you hear that? I think it's coming from outside.
FBI, open up! So yeah, pretty much when it comes down to deleting emissions equipment on your exhaust, you gotta determine whether it's worth it for your state. It's more of a hassle than you might think it is. One of my most anticipated videos is catless headers, which they've just been sitting here. Everyone keeps asking for these freaking headers, and you don't understand that the challenges that come with it. And it costs me everything, so I can't have these around anymore.
Hey, why? Why do you do that?
Just can't. I'm a changed individual.
Why are you doing that? Oi, wait.
Don't ask questions. Listen to the government.